just amazing. I loved it.
It was an awesome trip today with Blue Sky. We got 3 marlin, got to meet Poncho.
Great.
Absolutely incredible. Your staff was phenomenal. The food was great. Awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
Great experience today on Blue Sky Cabo. Besides the fishing, the experience with Poncho, the sea lion was unbelievable. The kids loved it. He's friendly, just like a pet at the house.
We caught 3 marlins, a grouper.
Yeah, that was fun.
The best part of the trip was when Poncho, the sea lion, got on the boat. He scares me.
If you get a chance, Blue Sky Cabo, the best expedition we've had. We went out there, we caught a massive marlin, 130 pounds. I'd recommend it to anybody. Best part of our Cabo vacation, sea lions, stingrays, everything. This company's on it.
Hey, we had a blast today here with Blue Sky Cabo. We caught some good fish. They had us on fish really quick. The crew was great. They were so helpful. We had a blast.
Yeah, if you get a chance, make sure you get to come down here. Come see the guys here at Blue Sky Cabo. They're amazing.
So we had a blast today out on the fishing boat. We caught ourselves a marlin, and these guys were super helpful and had a great time, and everything was good. We'll definitely come back and use the service again. Thanks, guys.
Well, we would just want to say we had an experience of our life out here in Cabo San Lucas. Thank you to Blue Sky, the crew of the Blue Star, and awesome
All the
time.
hospitality. It was awesome.
Food was excellent.
Great food.
Caught a blue marlin, striped marlin. It was that striper marlin, and brought it in. It was actually a trophy, so our son actually brought it, and he's going to have it measured, and he's going to have it mounted.
And
So
he'll be joining us here shortly.
he will. And just a thank you to everyone.
Julio and all the men.
Julio, Lucia,
all of y'all.
y Mario.
It's been
Great
an awesome
job. We
experience.
appreciate everything.
Hey, 2 marlin day. Blue Sky was awesome.
Blue Sky, the guys did a great job. We really appreciate it. Had a ball. Good job. Loved it. Had a great time. We recommend Blue Sky.